For goal-oriented undergrads, finishing your degree isn't just about checking a box. It's about getting an education that launches you into a successful career. At Walsh College, we believe transferring to finish your degree shouldn't hold you back. It should help you move forward. That's why transferring looks different here. You won't have to delay your career, retaking classes for credits you've already earned. Our team starts working with you early to create a seamless transfer pathway so the hard work you put in goes further at Walsh College than anywhere else. Our programs are practical and industry aligned. So instead of just the college experience, you gain career experience. That's why our grads have a 98% employment rate. It's why big companies recruit through our lifetime career services. And it's why a Walsh degree is respected industry-wide. So don't let finishing your education be a setback in your career. Instead, choose the school that opens the door to career success. Walsh College. Finish your degree, kickstart your future.